Hello there, my name is Irwine Clare and I'm at the JAHJAH Foundation's 5th annual gala here in Moonachie, New Jersey. A sold out event indeed. With me is part of my dream being realized. I'm standing beside the man with the #1 hit. In fact, let's just say the #1 hit for 2016, call it that. The man is Nesbeth. He's a special guest here at JAHJAH's Foundation. Nesbeth, let me tell you this. I am honored because I host a program on Irie Jam moving forward. When we got back from Rebel Salute that was held in St. Ann this year, we thought that the best performance was yours. Started playing your music. Today, it is the #1 tune on Irie Jam. Every day, DJ Roy plays it.
It is a blessing. It's really a blessing because, you know, knowing the time and the effort that I've always been putting out there, and to accomplish what I'm accomplishing now, I am really and truly appreciate. I'm lost for words, but what I do know is that reaching at this point, it's not where it's going to close. It's where I have to continue and make sure that I do exactly what I have to do in order to keep the people, you know, loving Nesbeth more and more. But it is a blessing.
You know, the music and the words are very timely words for us as a people at this time. As we talk about our dream and the realization of our dream and why we should aspire to live. What was the motivation behind you doing this song?
The whole thing is envisioning the future. It was definitely envisioning, you know, what is to come. And with me and my friend Clint sit down with the idea, with us do as much as we could possibly do, and the most I do the rest. But then we also realized that hopelessness is on the rise, and to sing a song and have it comforting to you is one, but to do it in a way that the world itself can really feel it and be inspired by it is the other. So as I said, it's really envisioning the future, and really and truly that's basically the outcome.
And of course the future consists of your children because they play a very critical role in that, and I saw their involvement with you having them on stage. What does that mean for you as an artist and as a father?
That was one of my greatest moments. It wasn't something that was planned because my wife was going through, you know, rest in peace,
yeah.
Anne-Marie Elliott Nesbeth. She was going through that storm of hers, and at that moment I had no choice but to take the kids with me a number of places. And taking them places was like looking at them, knowing that there are bad days that lies ahead. It empowered me to do as much as I can possibly do to make sure that I can start from that time to play both roles, mommy and daddy. So as I said, it's like they're my motivation at this present moment. And I am loving them more. I have to do as much as I can possibly do to make sure that I get it right. I may not be the perfect mom because I know nothing about playing a mom role, but I am here trying to do my best, my endeavor best. And it was indeed the moment of my career to have them all on the stage at that time. It was really and truly something that really words itself cannot explain the way I'm really feeling.
Because that night, it was the first I was hearing the music. And I tell you this, I was to then appreciate and understand when them saying the dance hall, when the music is played, it's not just one time. I went to another event. And I can assure you that when I checked my watch, 45 minutes later, they were still playing the music. And it just felt as if it was going on, and it gave you that rhythm that allows you to just not only gyrate, but to realize that you're part of a movement.
Most definitely, and I can tell you this much too. It's like the rhythm. It was built in a particular way to grab the people. The melody of the song goes way beyond the delivery of the song, the background vocals of the song, the man who mixed it, and everything. The production was tight, but beyond the production, the spiritual aspect of the song goes way deeper than the production. And I am still here learning about the spiritual aspect of it. So as soon as I know more, I can enlighten the nation about
that's what
it.
we have. That's what we have in store. I know you have best of the best in Miami, but more importantly, a Rockabessa, May 30th, Tri-State area, New York City, Roy Wilkins Park, that we call Irie Park. A lot of people waiting to hear you, Nesbeth.
Well, I can tell you, the world awaits and Nesbeth to share the dream, because I'm also in Bahamas the 1st of Barbados the 1st of May. I'm also in Canada, I'm in the UK, I'm throughout Jamaica, and so really and truly the people are loving the dream, and I have to do as much as I can possibly do to make sure I take the dream to them and make them feel comfortable, make them feel a part of the movement. It's an honor, it's a blessing, and I have come across people that have said that they don't really listen to reggae like that, and my dream take them on that part. So I'm happy that I am opening doors that was considered to be closed. I am happy to be all over the place, meeting and greeting the people. I stand for love, I'm an advocate of peace. And so getting this run, I can tell you this much. I am going to do it, and do it with every strength that I have. And I'm going to make sure while doing it, I'm enjoying it, so that the people can feel the natural vibration. Wake up, be a part of it, live a life. Put hopelessness one side.
And live your dream.
Live your dream, man. Because I'm from a country that in Jamaica, sometimes people are afraid to share their dream with even their closest friends. Why? Because many a times they think that their friends are bad-minded. Their friends will try to do anything and everything to stop them from reaching their goals. Now, I break that spell, I break that bond. Coming forward, letting them know that, you hear me? You are, and you alone is in control of your dream. Once you have the communication with the Most High, no friends, no family, no enemy can't stop you. Feel free. Set yourself out there. Set your goals. Reach for them. You understand what I say?
Live it.
And live it, because it is one. It is one having a dream. But it is more important to live your dream.
You know, when we look at JAHJAH Foundation, share with us now, JAHJAH Foundation, an organization dedicated to the healthcare upliftment of our people, the kind of creativity that Trevor Dixon and his folks have done in the dance hall. Tell us, share with us your comment on that.
A movement of such is a movement that Nesbeth and Team Nesbeth will always feel comfortable working with, because they are better in the lives of others. They are doing stuff that they choose to do, because they have so much that they could have done for themselves, but they choose to reach out
and live their dream too.
And live their dream. So I am happy that they are doing it, and whatever I can do to help them on such journey, I will do likewise and make sure that I play my part. So it's a blessing to be here, and I'm going to do what I have to do to share the dream.
And live it.
And live it.
Nesbeth sharing the dream right here at the JAHJAH Foundation 5th Gala, right here in Moonachie, New Jersey. One love, my friend. It's my dream to hear, sir.
My dream, how should I say, our dream.
Our dream, all right.
Our dream. Yeah, man, life.
One love, my friend. Peace. That's it. This is Irwine Clare speaking with Nesbeth right now at the JAHJAH Foundation 5th Gala right here in Moonachie, New Jersey.